Hi everyone, welcome back to KMum Vlogs, and for today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a beautiful thumbnails. So if you wanna see how I create my thumbnails, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I just want to show you how I organize my apps inside my phone. Because we use so many apps, I just created one folder and I called it vlogging, and that's where I used put all the apps that I use for editing photos and videos. So this way, you know, it's easier for me to just go to one folder and use or reuse all the apps that I have for my editing. So I'm gonna show you or share with you the app that I use. I have TubeBuddy, YT Studio, Pixart, iMovie, Canva, Streamlab, Fonto, PicMonkey, and of course the YT tracker. Okay, so to start, we need to go to the Pixart app. So open that, and as you can see here, we have different photos, free photos, and then color also you can use for your background. So just for today, we're gonna be using one of the free photo here for our thumbnail background. So for under the free photos, you can see, you can scroll all or swipe to the right, so you can see different photos. So for today, we're gonna use just the blue sky, for example. And then what you can do is use the tools and then click crop, and then you'll see an option to scroll down all the way to the right and then click the YouTube option. So this way it will size your thumbnail to the site that we use for YouTube. So it's very easy, you just have to choose that, and then it should be able to give you the size that you need. And of course you need to adjust your photo. So after that, you just need to save it, and it will go to your camera roll or the gallery. So it should be ready. So next thing, we need to go to the Fonto app. So here we're gonna retrieve the photo that we just saved. So you can go on the middle camera there, click that button, and then it will give you an option to choose photo album. And there you go, you can see the blue sky that we just saved. So click that, and here you can see this is the actual thumbnail size that YouTube use. So it's very convenient to have it, you know, like ready. You don't need to customize the size and everything. So we're gonna retrieve that, and now we're gonna add text. So here in Fonto, they have, I like the text that, or the font style that they have. So to do that, you just have to tap the screen. It can be on the black screen or the actual photo picture. So add text, and then you'll be able to see a different font style. So today, let's just use the luckiest guy, for example, because it has a bigger text, so it's easier to see. So I'm gonna click that, and then just type your title. For example, we're gonna make tutorial, so let's just say tutorial makeup. So type that, and then you'll be able to enhance the text by choosing or by using different options here. So let's just place it on the picture, like, and put it on the spot that we want it to be. So I'm enhancing it using style. So click that icon, and you can change the color here. You can add a stroke, you know, like you can use a background as well, and then you can do the line spacing. So there's many options here that you can enhance your text. So here, for example, we're just gonna use the blue, so to match the background, and then maybe we can add a stroke. It can be a white or a black maybe. So let's just do that, and then maybe you can also add a spacing in between the letters, so it's more, you know, like it has more space and it's easier to read. So you can also do that, and then there you go, you have your big text. So this can be your, you know, like title, and it's easier for someone when they're browsing the videos on YouTube to see your thumbnail. So I have to add a picture, but I don't think I have a picture about makeup. I think I have a bag picture. So I'm just gonna change my title here to, let's say, my favorite bag. So it will match whatever photo I have for our next edit that we need to do. So I'm just gonna change it to my favorite bag, and we need to save it. There's an option here to say save image, and then it will go to your gallery. So there you go. And now we are ready to edit the thumbnail. So let's just delete that. We don't need that. We need the one that has the text. So scroll up, and then you will see all the photos from your camera. So select that, the one with the text. So we're adding a picture here. So we're adding a photo. So we're gonna go to our gallery. So we're gonna need to retrieve the photo that we're gonna be using for our thumbnail. So we're using a bag. So I'm just gonna go click that, and then we need to select the option cut out. So cut out means removing the background that you don't need. So in this case, we'll be needing the bag. So I don't think I have the option to do that, because if it's a person, it's easier. Like if I do my thumbnail and I have my face there, it's so easy. I just select person, it will highlight my actual face or my my hand. So but this time we'll do it manually because I don't have the option to select it, say object or something like that. So we need to use our fingers to slowly select the item or the picture that we want. And I'm just using my fingers here. It's not gonna be perfect. You will see some portion there that are over or extra. You need to select preview, and you'll be able to see what are the highlighted parts of the picture. If there are things that's missed, you can always restore it. Click I think restore, and then you have to select the actual picture. So we're doing that, and then we're just gonna add more on the right side. And again, it's not perfect, but it's fine. It's just for the sake of this video. So after that, save it, and then you'll be able to see it right on the top of your thumbnail. So now you'll be able to place it wherever, but we prefer to save the pictures on the right side because some YouTube text, like for the time and date, I think goes on the right. So we don't want our text. If you're adding text on your thumbnail, don't put it on the right side, because sometimes it overlaps whatever text the YouTube puts. So if it's on the left side, it's safer, because viewers will be able to see the text that you're adding there. So we're adding our image on the right side, and then I'm just adding here a sticker, and I click heart. So you can also, maybe we can add bag, and this is what I like with Pixart because they have stickers, and I'm using the stickers option just to select or add more graphics on our thumbnail. Especially if you're creative and you want it more more design, so you can use stickers. And here I don't have these are nice bags, but I don't have that brand today. So maybe let's search if there is something that says Coach, because that's the bag that I have here. So yeah, they have a logo, so let's use a logo here. So you can click that and then add it on our thumbnail. So here we can adjust where we want to place it. Maybe we want the heart to be here on the side, and then just put it here like that. So there you go. And then let's add more stickers. Now let's add like button. I think they have like. Okay, so let's select that one and place it here on the side. And then you can also use YouTube stickers, because there are many options here. So let's click subscribe button. And there you go. And really, it depends on how you want your thumbnail to be. If you want it simple, like no stickers at all, you can always do that. So yeah, these are just some options that you can use, but we're not going to use that today. So yeah, if you just want it to be plain color, sure, you can do that. Just text, yeah, and then maybe a picture. So really depends. So this is just showing you what the options are here on under Pixart. And there are more stickers on the PicMonkey app, but we're not using it today. You can always browse it and explore it, but the same thing, like it has more stickers. I use PicMonkey for stickers only. So but today we're just gonna use Pixart because this is enough, and I think that's what our design is. You can also add a border. We're just gonna browse like where to add a border if you want borders for your thumbnails. You can add different colors. You can use white or maybe black or red depending on your theme. I know this is not a very nice color choice today, but we already have it, so let's just carry on and then use it. Maybe we're just using a red, I don't know, maybe we just try red if they have. You can make it thick, you can make it very thin, or maybe normal, so whatever option you want to use. So maybe let's just use red today for this, you know, to match the heart and the like button there. So once you're done, guys, you just need to apply everything and save it, and it will go to your gallery right away. Alright guys, so I think that's pretty much what we have for today for our tutorial about how to create a thumbnail. So I hope you find this useful, especially for those who are new in YouTube channel, like creating their channel. So this is your one tip that you can use on how to create your channel. If you go to your camera roll or your gallery, you will see your new thumbnail. So now you can use it for your new videos. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something today, and I will catch you on my next video.